Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some $5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, May the 20th at Dollar General. And man, do we have some amazing deals to talk about. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a few other Dollar General videos for you all this week. So if you've missed out on anything, make sure that you go and check them out. I'm going to have them all listed and linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And also for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time because they are simply just that. They are a glitch in the system. So it is very important when you are in the store to scan each and every item with your Dollar General app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. Alright, so now let's go ahead and jump right into these $5 off $25 scenarios. So we're going to start off with a Gain deal. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Gain liquid laundry detergents priced at $5.50, one of the Gain fabric softeners priced at $4.50, two of the Gain fireworks priced at $4.50 each, two of the Gain dish soaps, they're on sale this week, two for $5, one of the Gain scented Febreze air effects priced at $3.25, and one of the Gain scented Mr. Clean multi-purpose cleaners priced at $4. That's going to put your subtotal at $31.25. And here's your list of coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So of course, you're going to need your 5 off 30 Gain DG store coupon, your 5 off 25 DG store coupon, your 1 off 1 Gain liquid laundry detergent, your 2 off 2 Gain fireworks, your 1 off 2 Gain dish soap, your $2.30 off 1 Febreze air effects, and the 50-cent off 1 Mr. Clean products. Your subtotal after coupons will be $14.45 for 8 items, making each one just $1.80 each. Alright, now for this next scenario, this one is for all of my Tide and Downy people. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Tide laundry detergents priced at $5.50. You can choose from the liquid or the pods. Then you want to pick up one of the Downy fabric softeners priced at $6.95, one of the Febreze air effects priced at $3.25, one Febreze fabric refresher priced at $5, 3 of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes priced at $1 each, and 3 American greeting cards priced at 50 cents each. That's going to put your subtotal at $25.20. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25 DG store coupon, your 1 off 1 Tide, your 2 off 1 Downy, your $2.30 off 1 Febreze Air Effects, your 3 off 1 Febreze Fabric Refresher, the 3 off 2 Oral-B and Crest products, the 1 off 1 Oral-B toothbrush, the 1 off 2 American greeting cards, and the 50-cent off 1 American greeting card. Your subtotal after coupons will be $6.40 for 10 items, making each one just 64 cents each. Now, I do want to go ahead and make a quick note with this scenario. We are taking advantage of the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B digital coupon, which gives us $1 in overage. However, if you are at a store with the newer touchscreen registers, or if you go through self-checkout, those registers do not give you overage any longer. So that 3 off 2 will simply just make those items completely free. You're going to pay $1 more, so your subtotal after coupons will be $7.40 for 10 items, making each one just 74 cents each, which I think is still a fantastic deal. Alright, now up next, I've put together a quick little food deal. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Red Baron pizzas priced at $5.95, one of the Pepsi 2 liters priced at $2.50, one pack of the Eggo waffles priced at $3.50, one pack of the Wonder Bread buns, they're on sale this week for $3, one of the Heinz ketchups for $5, 3 of the Bullseye barbecue sauces priced at $1 each, 1 of the Scott bath tissue 6 count priced at $3.25, 3 of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes priced at $1 each, and 1 American greeting card priced at 50 cents. That's going to put your subtotal at $29.70. And with this scenario, we actually have an instant savings of $2, which will come off first at the register for the Heinz ketchup and the barbecue sauce. So when you spend $8 on those condiments, you're going to instantly save $2 at the register. So that's going to bring our new subtotal down to $27.70. All right, and here's your list of coupons. So of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25 DG store coupon, your buy one, get one free on the pizza and Pepsi. That's going to take off $2.50. The 1 off 1 Eggo waffles, the 50-cent off 1 Wonder Bread, 1 off 1 Heinz ketchup, 1 off 1 Scott bath tissue, the 3 off 2 Oral-B and Crest products, the 1 off 1 Oral-B toothbrush, and the 50-cent off 1 American greeting card. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $12.20 for 13 items, making each one just 93 cents each. Now again, keep in mind with this scenario, I am taking advantage of that $1 in overage to get the lowest out-of-pocket possible. But if you don't have that option and your stores only have the newer registers or self-checkout, don't worry about it. You're just going to pay $1 more. So that's going to make your subtotal after coupons $13.20 for 13 items. Now, I know I'm probably going to get a few comments down in the comment section talking about the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes. I know that for some of you all, those are really hard to find, and once your store is out of stock, it seems like it takes Dollar General forever to restock those items. And trust me, I completely understand. I have been couponing and shopping at Dollar General for long enough to know that they aren't the best on keeping up with their inventory. So, if that is you, I will go ahead and encourage you all to look through the other toothbrushes on the shelves, because I have found the Bright and Clean toothbrushes in the spot where the $7 toothbrushes are supposed to be. So I will encourage you guys to look through all the toothbrushes and see if you can find them. But if you still can't find them, just make sure that you watch the video all the way through, because you just never know. You're probably going to see a few other items that you could easily substitute out for those Oral-B toothbrushes. All right, now let's go ahead and get back into these scenarios, because this next deal is absolutely amazing. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Old Spice body washes priced at $5.50, one of the Dove women's body wash priced at $5, two of the Scent Happy bath bombs priced at $1 each. I think I got that one backwards. Let me know down in the comments, is it Happy Scent or Scent Happy? Then you want to pick up one of the CoverGirl mascaras priced at $5, one of the CoverGirl 2-count eyeliner pencils priced at $4.95, 3 American greeting cards priced at 50 cents each, and 3 of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes priced at $1 each. And that's going to put your subtotal at $26.95. And here's the list of coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 3 off 1 Old Spice body wash, the 2 off 1 Dove body wash, the 1 off 1 Dove DG store coupon, the buy one get one 50% off on the Scent Happy products or the Happy Scents products, whichever one it is. Then you're going to need the 4 off 1 CoverGirl mascara, the 3 off 1 CoverGirl eye product, the 1 off 2 American greeting cards, 50 cents off 1 American greeting card, 3 off 2 Oral-B and Crest products, and the 1 off 1 Oral-B toothbrush. After coupons, you're going to pay $2.95 out of pocket for 12 items, making each one just 24 cents each. Now, how awesome is that? All right, and last but certainly not least, we have our low out-of-pocket deal. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Febreze Air Effects priced at $3.25, one of the Always Discreet liners priced at $3.25, 3 of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes priced at $1 each, one of the Shea Moisture face masks priced at $3.50, one of the Vicks VapoCool cough drops 18 count priced at $2.50, 3 American greeting cards priced at 50 cents each, one of the Dove body wash priced at $5, and one of the CoverGirl mascaras priced at $5. That's going to put your subtotal at $27. And here's a list of the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25 DG store coupon, the $2.30 off 1 Febreze Air Effects, the 3 off 1 Always Discreet product, the 3 off 2 Oral-B and Crest products, the 1 off 1 Oral-B toothbrush, the 2 off 1 Shea Moisture product, $1.50 off 1 Vicks product, the 1 off 2 American greeting cards, the 50 cents off 1 American greeting cards, the 2 off 1 Dove body wash, the 1 off 1 Dove DG store coupon, and the 4 off 1 CoverGirl mascara. After coupons, you are going to pay 70 cents plus tax out of pocket for 12 items, making each one just 5 cents each. So again, if you guys can't find those Oral-B toothbrushes at your store, all you have to do is take a look at the last 2 scenarios, because they are completely packed full of awesome coupon matchups and great substitutions for those 2 toothbrushes. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend, and y'all make sure that you stick around, because we have an epic, a huge, a crazy clearance and penny list video coming up next. So y'all make sure that you have those notifications turned on, because you're not going to want to miss out on this information. Plus, after that, I'm going to have probably 2 or 3 more videos going up Saturday. So y'all definitely do not want to miss out. Make sure that you have those notifications turned on. And before you go, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and it is absolutely free. You know what else is free? Hitting that thumbs up button and leaving a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.